The crude markets showed extreme volatility as fragile optimism around a potential de-escalation in West Asia tensions has faded on Tuesday. Donald Trump on Monday delayed the attacks on Iran's energy infrastructure by 5 days and claimed that Iran was the one that initiated the peace talks. But Iran has rubbished these comments made by Donald Trump as nothing more than Donald Trump's attempt at market manipulation. The Brent crude has jumped by 3.5% to almost $103.50 a barrel after plunging over 13% on Monday. The reversal in Brent price on Tuesday indicates investors are tempering the optimism that lifted the Wall Street and weakened the dollar in the previous session. After falling below $100 a barrel on Monday, crude once again opened above that level amid signs that the West Asia conflict is far from over. The oil prices plunged over 13% after Trump backed down from his threat to bomb Iran's energy infrastructure. In a Truth Social post, the president's move set off a wild rally that punctuated the most volatile trading day on Wall Street since the Iran war began over 3 weeks ago. And according to a Financial Times report, traders placed $580 million worth of oil trades 15 minutes prior to Trump's post about a potential peace deal. 6,200 Brent and US crude futures contracts were traded between 6:49 a.m. Eastern Time and 6:50 a.m. Eastern Time on Monday. During the same duration, $1.5 billion in notional value worth of Standard & Poor's 500 futures was traded. Now, according to a report, the timing of these bets has raised a lot of questions about clear insider knowledge in this play. However, officials have denied any wrongdoing, even as these trades generated over $100 million worth of profit in less than 20 minutes. Whether one entity or several entities were behind these trades is at this moment not clear. On Tuesday, the Asian stocks paired early as oil reversed to rise. Wall Street futures fell as investors are looking for some confirmed discussions between Iran and the United States for clarity. Renewed tensions risk keeping oil prices elevated for longer and weighing in on the broader stock markets globally. Wild moves in global markets have echoed the sharp reversals that traders saw last April. Now, back then, Trump had first pushed global financial markets to the brink with his punitive tariffs before backpedaling. And analysts say that similar to last year, Trump's announcement on Monday is in part aimed at investors who are rattled by the fallout from the Iran war so far. Now, beyond the price moves, rhetoric, Bitcoin has established itself as an emerging alternative asset. The top token has gained, extending a trend that was seen in recent weeks amidst the West Asia turmoil. Bitcoin gained about 3.4% to above $70,500, even as Iran has contradicted Donald Trump's claims on peace talks. On the other hand, gold has extended its slump and is now on track for its longest losing rally on record. The yellow metal is now down 25% from its all-time high levels, wiping out over $10 trillion from its market valuation. For context, the magnitude of these losses that almost equals the combined GDP of Australia, Canada, Spain, South Korea, Indonesia and Saudi Arabia combined.